Increasingly sophisticated and intelligent cyber attack technologies pose a threat to our whole way of life. This is just a forewarning of future cyber threats. Evolution of a security technology that detects and tracks disguised attackers beyond defensive security. This is the core component of SOMMA's threat hunting technology. Monster is a platform that automates all the processes required to detect and track traces of cyber threats through data collection and analysis. Monster detects and tracks attackers' behavior that traditional security solutions fail to recognize. SOMMA has developed Monster's core behavior-based threat hunting technology entirely with its own technology. Monster's 4 core technologies are: first, high-performance endpoint agent technology. Based on data selection, collection, and behavior abbreviation technology optimized for threat hunting, Monster Agent is super fast and lightweight. Second, big data processing technology. Through the big data processing platform optimized for behavior data analysis, complex data processing logic, such as real-time abnormal behaviors detection, threat detector through machine learning, and external threat intelligence integration is implemented. Third, SOMMA's core driving force, behavior-based threat hunting technology. A threat analysis technology that integrates, analyzes, and detects dynamic behaviors in real time. SOMMA's behavior-based threat hunting technology can find and trace threat behaviors by identifying relations between connected but different behaviors, unlike existing technologies which can only detect single threat behaviors. Lastly, SOMMA is researching the state-of-the-art attack technology to develop the best detection technology. Adversary Behavior Simulator KRON. It simulates diverse attack behaviors, and it is the core component to enhance Monster's defense technology. SOMMA Original Technologies Integration Monster is the most active security technology, automating all the processes required to customers ranging from data collection and big data analysis to threat detection and tracking technology enhancement. New security paradigm. SOMMA is a security solutions company that specializes in creating safe computing environments, free from advanced cyber threats, and cloud-based cyber environments based on threat hunting technology to meet the demands of this new contactless age. The best threat hunters ever. SOMMA.
We are a security startup from South Korea, and we are developing managed threat hunting service Monster, which provides detecting and tracking cyber threats through endpoint behavior analysis. As I develop antivirus solutions, I thought that behavior-based threat detection technology would become more and more necessary. So I decided to leave the company and started a business to develop this technology. It was impossible to get data required for threat hunting with existing solutions. So we had to develop so many parts by ourselves, from behavior data collectors to platform that required for data analysis. As a result, we were able to secure the core technology necessary for threat hunting, but it was a very tough experience. While we are a small startup in the initial stage, However, one of the domestic public institutions have recognized our technology and our potential. And our products are currently installed on more than 5,000 computers. We were very happy to win the competition with other companies, and above all, it was the most enjoyable time as our technology and potential was recognized. Existing security solutions use a form of monitoring and protecting the perimeter, which means that if an attacker bypasses the perimeter, tracking or monitoring is no longer possible. In recent security threats, it's very common to neutralize these types of security products by highly sophisticated technologies. To solve this problem, like our real-life CCTV, Monster secures the behavior data from endpoint in a real time and stores it in the cloud and repeatedly searches for security threats using the latest threat intelligence information and our own abnormal behavior detection technologies. If we found a threat, we can track all behaviors and solve the root cause of the security threats. Since 2019, one of the domestic public institutions is currently using more than 5,000 install bases, and LH Corporation is also using our product. In addition, we are conducting a number of security-related projects with Agency for Defense Development Institute by utilizing our threat hunting technology. We have several experience of incident response using Monster. When we participated in the incident analysis, an attacker was already in progress, and malicious code infections were continuously occurring in new systems, but our client could not figure out the cause. Through Monster, we were able to understand the attacker's attack behavior patterns through detailed analysis of behaviors, and we successfully complete the incident response. Our technologies can be divided into three broad categories, and we have secured 4 domestic patents and 3 US patents related to these technologies. The first is endpoint agent technology. It's a core technology that collects and abbreviates volatile behavior information required for threat hunting in real time. The second is technology that manages the large amount of data and identifies threat behavior. We are developing a data analysis platform that optimized for identifying the context of behavior. The third is adversarial behavior simulation technology that enables better understanding of threat behaviors. A deep understanding of adversarial behavior is essential to properly identify the threats. For this reason, we invest a lot of resources to researching attack technologies. We attach great importance to user convenience. I think it's bad design for users to feel uncomfortable because of security or to have restriction on using normal functions. From the beginning, we developed Monster in an optimized form for the security as a service, unlike existing security products. Cloud infrastructure is used to analyze a vast amount of data, and AI technology is actively utilized for advanced analysis of unknown threats. Because attackers are increasingly sophisticated and it's impossible to detect or protect all cyber threats in advance. In the future, securing visibility and data analysis-based threat detection, I mean that threat hunting technologies will become more and more important. Our goal is to provide a threat hunting service that provide secure computing environments to our customers through our technology. We have core technologies for securing endpoint visibility, and analyzing behavior data, and simulating the adversarial behavior. We will make these technologies advanced. We will be the best threat hunting expert group. Hello everyone, I'm CEO of SOMMA, a security startup from South Korea. We are developing managed threat hunting service, Monster, which provides an advanced threat analysis using the endpoint behaviors. I will talk about current problem we are facing and how SOMMA can solve the problem, and the market and about our team. Let's get started. Border-based security system is most common. They operate like gatekeeper. However, current cyber threat usually bypass these types of security system pretty easily. This is big issue. However, SOMMA has the solution. In the real life, CCTV records everything, and if an accident occurs or there is information related to a threat, we can analyze the stored video to find out what's happening. The way Monster responds to cyber threats is very similar. Monster collects the behaviors from users' computer in real time and stores it in the cloud. In the cloud, Monster continuously searches for cyber threats using the latest threat intelligence and SOMMA's own abnormal behavior detection technology. Continuous abnormal behavior analysis is the biggest differentiator of Monster. By this way, Monster not only protects the border, but also detects threats inside the border. We have two go-to-market strategies. The first is provide Monster's function to existing solutions or customers' environment in the form of API. The other is supply our own managed security service to SME and IT-related firms. Typically, these small firms have no security teams but still need the protection that Monster can offer. Now, let's talk about our market and business strategy. Data is a key factor to success, and we already have core technology for data acquisition and data analysis. SOMMA has the data and knows the data. That's why we have a strong confidence in our success. Our revenue has grown dramatically. We started with just $8,000 in 2017, but we did $897,000 in 2020. That's 10,000% growth over the past 4 years. In addition, Monster is successfully linked with 3 or more existing enterprise solutions. We are expecting to generate revenue from next year. Given our projections, we plan to grow more than 7 times by 2025. To get there, we expect we will need to an acquisition in around 2023. Currently, SOMMA consists of 21 people, including managing team, sales and marketing, and almost R&D. To get the next stage, we plan to strengthen the service operation team and sales and the marketing team, and the team for US market. The best threat hunters ever. This was SOMMA. Thank you for your attention.